First, open Higgsfield AI and sign in to your account. To create professional marketing videos, start by defining the goal of your campaign. Decide what product, service, or brand you want to promote and what action you want viewers to take after watching the video. Next, identify your target audience and choose a visual style that matches your brand. For example, a luxury brand might need an elegant cinematic style, while a technology company may benefit from a modern and futuristic look. Now plan the video scene by scene. Start with a strong opening that captures attention, introduce the product or service, show its main benefits, and finish with a clear call to action. Open the Higgsfield AI video generation workspace and create your first scene. Write a detailed prompt describing the subject, environment, action, camera movement, lighting, colors, mood, and visual style. For example, you could describe a premium product displayed in a modern studio, with smooth cinematic camera movement, dramatic lighting, realistic reflections, clean composition, and a high-end commercial advertising style. Generate the scene and carefully review the result. If the camera movement or visual composition isn't correct, refine the prompt and generate another version. Create the remaining scenes using a consistent visual style. Pay attention to continuity so that the product, characters, colors, and overall atmosphere remain consistent throughout the video. Once all the clips are ready, combine them in your preferred video editor. Add professional narration, background music, sound effects, captions, brand elements, and your call to action. Keep the pacing engaging, but make sure viewers have enough time to understand the message. Before publishing, watch the complete video from beginning to end. Check the visuals, audio quality, transitions, spelling, product information, and overall branding. Also,